Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is transformations. That means up to transformations, objective questions. Now, the first question, that is, if x cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to the first option -1, second option 0, third option 1, and fourth option 2. Now we have to take the relation, that is x cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Okay. Now put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Put theta is equal to 0, then it gives x cos 0 plus 0 is equal to y cos 2 pi by 3 is nothing but 120 degrees. So that's why you have to write 2 pi by 3, since 0 plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to z cos 4 pi by 3. 0 plus 4 pi by 3. That's all. Now from this, x cos 0 is 1, y cos 2 pi by 3 is nothing but 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Cos 120 degrees is minus 1 by 2. And z into cos 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 is nothing but 240. That is also minus 1 by 2. That's all. Now we have to take, this is, let us assume k. Then from this, x is equal to k, y is equal to minus 2k, and z is equal to minus 2k. Now we have to find x, y plus yz plus zx. So xy, that is k into minus 2k, that is minus 2k square, and yz minus 2k into minus 2k, that is plus 4k square, and zx, that is k into minus 2k minus 2k square. That's why here minus 4k square plus 4k square, it gives 0. That is in second option. That's all. Now second option is the right answer. Okay. Now we are going to one more question. Now the next question, if cos A is equal to 3 by 4, then 32 sin A by 2 sin 5A by 2 is equal to first option 7, second option 8, third option 3, and fourth option 11. Now we have to solve this question. So solution for this question. So given cos A is equal to 3 by 4. Now this is the condition, right? So take that expression, that is 32 sin A by 2 into sin 5A by 2. That's all. So this can be right. 16 times of 2 sin A by 2 into sin 5A by 2. That's all. This will comparing with the 2 sin A sin B. Actually formula for 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That's why this is 16 times of cos A minus B. Here A by 2 minus 5A by 2. A by 2 minus 5A by 2 is nothing but minus 4A by 2. Minus 4A by 2 is minus 2A. So cos minus 2A is cos 2A minus cos A plus B. A by 2 plus 5A by 2. 6A by 2. 6A by 2 is nothing but 3A. That's why it is cos 3A. So cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. According to this form, here 16 times of cos 2A minus cos 3A. That's why 16 times of cos 2A is nothing but 2 cos square A minus 1 minus of cos 3A. Cos 3A is nothing but 4 cos cube A minus 1. Sorry, cos 3A is nothing but 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Formula for cos 3A, that is. Now substitute the values. the value of cos A is 3 by 4. We have to substitute here. Now simplify this question. Now 16 times of 2. So 32 cos square A minus 16 minus plus 64 cos cube A. This is minus into minus plus this is minus 64. So minus plus 43 cos A plus 43 cos A. Have you clear here? Observe 16 to 32 cos square A minus 16 once 16. So 16 to minus 4 minus 64 cos cube A. 16 into 3 48 minus plus 48 cos A. That's all. Now we have to substitute the value of cos A in this one. 32 times of the value of cos A is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square minus 60 minus 64 into cos cube, that is 3 by 4 whole cube plus 48 into cos A is 3 by 4. That's all. Now we have to simplify this. So we have to simplify this. Now the next step, that is 32 times of 9 by 4 minus 16 minus 64 times of 27 by 64 plus 48 times of 3 by 4. So here it is 16 2 gets cancelled, 2 into 9 minus 16. Here it is 64 gets cancelled, minus 27, 4 12 gets cancelled. That's why. So complete simplification. After simplification we get 11. 11 is the answer. That's why. Fourth option is the solution for this question. Now we are going to next question. Now the next question, that is cos 6 theta plus 6 cos 3 theta plus 15 cos 2 theta plus 10 whole by cos 5 theta plus 5 cos 3 theta plus 10. The first option sin theta, second option cos theta, third option 2 sin theta, fourth option 2 cos theta. Okay. Now solve this question. So for shortcut method is there. By substitution of theta value in the question and option, that means by option verification we have to collect the answer. So solution for this one, take the given expression, that is cos 6 theta plus 6 cos 3 theta plus 15 cos 2 theta plus 10 whole by cos 5 theta plus 5 cos 3 theta plus 10. By option verification, so put theta is equal to 0 in the given expression. Now cos 6 into 0, cos 0. That's why it is cos 0. 1 plus 6 times of cos 0, 6 into 1 plus 15 times of cos 0. So 15 into 1 plus, it is 10 whole by cos 5 into 0, cos 0, 1 plus 5 times of cos 3 into 0, cos 0, 1, 5 into 1 plus, it is 10. That's why by simplification it is, by simplification, observe here, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 15, 22 plus 10, 32, by 1 plus 5 plus 10, that is 16. That's why it is 2. Now the expression is 2 for theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now by option verification, from first option, in place of theta we have to substitute 0, sin 0, 0. Here cos 0, 1. Second option cos 0, 1. Third option sin 0, 0. That's why 2 into 0, 0. And fourth option 2 times of cos 0, 1. 2 into 1, 2. That's why fourth option is correct. Since for theta is equal to 0, by option verification, theta is equal to 0 by option verification. That is first option sin 0 0, second option cos 0 1, but it gives 2, and third option 2 sin 0, that is 0, and fourth option 2 cos 0, that is 2 times of cos 0 1, that is 2 times of 1 2. That's why 2 is the right answer, that is in fourth option. That's all. Now the next question, that is sin A plus sin B is equal to root 3 times of cos B minus cos A. Then sin 3A plus sin 3B is equal to first option minus 1, second option 0, third option 1, and fourth option 2. So solve this question. So take the equation, the relation, that is sin A plus sin B is equal to root 3 times of cos B minus cos A. That's all. Now from this can be right in terms of sin C plus sin D. We know the formula for sin C plus sin D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and cos C minus cos D, that is 2 times of sin D plus C by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So according to those two forms we have to write it is. Now that is here 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 is equal to root 3 times of, again 2 times of sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Since cos C minus cos D is nothing but 2 sin D plus C by 2 sin D minus C by 2, that is. Now from the next step here 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A plus B by 2 gets cancelled, then cos A minus B by 2 is equal to root 3 times of sin A minus B by 2. Again divide by cos sin A minus B by 2, then cos A minus B by 2 by sin A minus B by 2 is equal to root 3. So cos by sin is nothing but cot. So cot A minus B by 2 is equal to root 3. Now cot A minus B by 2 is equal to cot 30. Since cot 30 is the root 3 value, cot 30 value is root 3. That's why cot A minus B by 2 is equal to cot 30. That's why A minus B by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. So we have to find sin 3A plus sin 3B. This is considered as sin C plus sin D. According to sin C plus sin D form, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That's why 2 sin 3 times of A plus B by 2 cos 3 times of A minus B by 2. Take common 3. That's all. Now here it is 2 sin 3 plus A plus B by 2 cos 3 times of 30. A minus B by 2 is nothing but 30. That's why here it is 30. Now cos 3 into 30, cos 90. Actually cos 90 is 0. So 0 into real number 0. That's why answer is 0. That is in second option. That's why second option is correct for this question. Now we are going to the next question. Now we are going to the next result. So many questions depends upon this result. The result is sin cube. Prove that sin cube theta plus sin cube 60 minus theta minus sin cube 60 plus theta is equal to minus 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So we know one formula, that is a sin 3 theta formula. Actually sin 3 theta is nothing but, we know that sin 3 alpha is nothing but 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. So from this, sin cube alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha minus sin 3 alpha by 4. By using this formula, we have to write each expression in terms of first degree terms. That's why sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. And sin cube 60 minus theta is 3 sin 60 minus theta minus sin 3 times of 60 minus theta whole by 4. And sin cube 60 plus theta 3 times of 60 plus theta minus sin of 3 times of 60 plus theta whole by 4. That's why take common 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is common. So remaining we have to collect 3 times of sin functions. 3 sin theta, 3 sin 60 minus theta minus 3 sin 60 plus theta. Again from these minus of sine, so take common minus, then it is sine 3 theta plus sine 3 times of 60 minus theta, 3 times of 60 minus 180 minus 3 theta, take common minus, and so here it is minus is there, sine 180 plus 3 theta, that's all. Now from this take common 3, take common 3 from these 3 terms, then 1 by 4 into 3 times of sine theta, sine 60 minus theta minus sine 60 plus theta. Here this can be written as sine 3 theta, sine 180 minus 3 theta is nothing but sine 3 theta minus sine 180 plus 3 theta, third quadrant the sign gives negative, that's why minus minus plus, it is sine 3 theta. Okay. Now from this, observe this is in the form of difference of sign expansion. So sin a minus b minus sin a plus b is nothing but minus 2 cos a sin b. Minus 2 cos a sin b from here 1, 2, 3. 3 times of sin 3 theta. Here 2 cos a sin b, where a is 60 degrees and b is theta. So cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. So here it is 3 times of sin theta minus sin theta. So sin theta gets cancelled. It is 3 times of 0. So minus sin 3 theta. So 1 by 4 minus 3 sin 3 theta. That's why minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. That's all. Now we are going to the questions. It depends upon this concept. Now the question, the value of sine cube 10 degrees plus sine cube 50 degrees minus sine cube 70 degrees is equal to first option minus 3 by 2, second option 3 by 4 and third option minus 3 by 4 and fourth option minus 3 by 8. Okay, so this question depends upon the formula. What is that? So already proved the formula, that is sine cube theta plus sine cube 60 minus theta minus sine cube 60 plus theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 sine 3 theta. So this question depends upon this formula. Now we have to write this one is sine cube 10 degrees plus sine cube 60 minus 10 degrees minus sine cube 60 plus 10 degrees. If this will comparing with this formula, then minus 3 by 4 sine 3 times of 10 degrees. Sine 3 times of 10 degrees. 3 times of 10 degrees makes 30 degrees. That's why minus 3 by 4 times of sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. That's why it is minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is minus 3 by 8. That's why that is in fourth option. That's all. So this model is very important. It depends upon this form. Okay, right. Now we are going to one more result in terms of cos, that is prove that cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Now we have to take LHS and we know one formula. What is that formula? That is cos 3 alpha is equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus cos 3 cos alpha. 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. From this, cos cube alpha is equal to 3 cos alpha plus cos 3 alpha by 4. That's all. According to this formula, we have to write the LHS, that is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4 plus 3 cos 120 minus theta plus cos 3 times of 120 minus theta all by 4 plus 3 cos 120 plus theta plus cos 3 into 120 plus theta by 4, like that. So after simplification, we have to take 1 by 4 common and remaining. So 3 times of cos functions taken in 1 unit and remaining take that means cos 3 theta cos 360 minus 3 theta cos 360 plus 3 theta. That's all. Now after taking common 3, then this is in the form of cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Actually cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b. That's why cos 120 into cos theta. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. That's why 2 gets cancelled here. then it is cos theta minus cos theta. Now these two gets cancelled, that's why 3 times of 0, that's why it is 1 by 4 times of cos 3 cos theta, since cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, 3 cos 3 theta. So 1 by 4 times of cos 3 theta, that is 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. So that is answer. Now we are going to the question on this concept. Now the question depends upon the previous result. The value of cos cube 20 plus cos cube 100 plus cos cube 140 is equal to the first option 1 by 8, second option minus 1 by 8, third option 1 by 3, third option 3 by 8 and fourth option minus 3 by 8. Now we have to solve this question according to the formula. First formula, write the formula. What is the formula? Here it is cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. That's all. According to this form, we have to write this. So that is cos cube 20 degrees plus cos cube 120 minus 20 degrees plus cos cube 120 plus 20 degrees. That's all. Here this is in the form of cos theta, cos cube 120 minus theta, cos cube 120 plus theta is nothing but 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. 3 by 4 cos 3 times of 20 degrees. So 3 times of 20 degrees is nothing but 60 degrees. That's why 3 by 4 cos 60 degrees. So 3 by 4 times of cos 60 is 1 by 2. That's why answer is 3 by 8. That is in third option. That's all. So these are the questions, very important model. You can practice all these questions. Okay. Now we are going to the practicing questions. Depends upon these concepts. So you can practice those questions. Okay. Now practice these questions. Prove the following results. Sin cube theta minus sin cube 120 minus theta plus sin cube 120 plus theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. And sin cube theta minus sin cube 240 minus theta plus sin cube 240 plus theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. And sin cube theta plus sin cube 300 minus theta minus sin cube 300 plus theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. And cos cube theta minus cos cube 60 minus theta minus cos cube 60 plus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. And cos cube theta plus cos cube 240 minus theta plus cos cube 240 plus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. And cos cube theta minus cos cube 300 minus theta minus cos cube 300 plus theta 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Okay, you can practice all these questions. Okay, bye. So next we are going to periodicity and extreme values. Okay, bye.